Hello, I'm Ms. Zorab and this is Byther Farm, and today I need your help. I've been thinking about something and I think it's a really good idea, but I can't do it alone. Like so many other people up and down the country, I've been sowing seeds for the new season, and I'm really pleased to say these are my red cabbage, and they're already growing. So we've got the first little seed leaves have appeared, and it won't be very long before the first true leaves arrive. And while I was doing this in the warmth of the greenhouse, trying to stay out of the cold, it made me think a little bit about how the autumn and winter has been for people, and in particular what it must be like if you're homeless through the winter.
Of course, it's not just homeless people, it's also, for example, people who are maybe on their own at Christmas.
Last year, in the run up to Christmas, I saw a local group advertising that they were going to be holding a Christmas lunch for people who are on their own at Christmas. And so I gave them a quick call and said I'd like to help out. I knew I couldn't actually go and help cook or serve the food on the day, but I offered them some extra vegetables, so they came and collected a big basket full of vegetables to serve on Christmas Day to people who were going to be on their own at that time of year. So this year I'm going to grow some extra vegetables for the direct purpose of giving them away at the end of the year, and I'd like to invite you to join in and do the same. These are tiny Brussel sprout plants, and when they grow, one or two are going to be set aside so that I can donate them to the local group that offer this Christmas meal. Now, I'm really lucky because I've got masses of space here to grow food in, so I'm actually going to dedicate one bed to grow extra food in to give to this local group here. But there are so many gardeners across the country, there are so many of us who grow food, and I just thought if we could put in one extra plant per person, think of the enormous difference that could make next winter.
So that could be parsnips, it could be kale, it could be a bit of broccoli, it could be some potatoes, just something nice and hearty and wintry.
So if you have a YouTube channel, please make a video and spread the word. Please encourage people to grow a gift this year.
So I think this is a really good idea. It's something small and tangible that almost anyone can do, and really help other people at the same time. So a great thing to get involved with.
So I'm calling this Grow a Gift for 2019. I hope you will share it far and wide, use the hashtag on Twitter, on Facebook, anywhere else on social media, and let's get the word out. And this collaboration isn't just for people who create YouTube videos, it's for all of us, for anybody, and it doesn't matter which country you're in or which season your Christmas happens in. So if you're in Australia or South Africa and any of the warmer countries or states in the world, you may well be able to grow even more food in a small space to be able to help out. So if you'd like to get involved by growing just one extra plant or even a whole bed full of plants, please leave a comment, let me know that you're in, and it would be really nice if you want to let other people know about it as well. So this is the bed we're going to use to grow some extra vegetables in this year. This is the one that Mr. J and I shortened when he cut down the willow tree last week. So this is all ready for planting. Obviously the seedlings aren't ready to go in it yet.
Yeah, and as things get planted in the different beds around, then some extra will go in here. So that this is the dedicated bed, and we can look at the progress of that over the next 8 to 10 months or so.
Yeah. And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for the day, I hope it's a good one. I also hope you'll join us again next time.
Bye bye.